Okay, welcome guys to another shot. Today we are going to take the lift here at Paradigm Mall, Johor Bahru in Malaysia. So let's get into it. I think we should go down first. This mall is quite big because it has like over 10 floors, including the basement, and it's not really just like it's not that simple. It's like a lot of floors. So we're gonna take this lift up and down to see how big it really is. Now this lift is a Schindler with these in these buttons, but somehow there's a protective glass layer and it's just rounded. It's just cut off like that for some particular reason. I do not know why. Okay, let's wait for the lift to come. Okay, the lift is here. It's coming, going down. Okay, cannot. Basement button doesn't work for some reason. It's frosted glass, can't see anything. Okay, now let's go up and press this button. Never mind, that doesn't work too. 4 works. Okay, 4 works. How about this one over here? Okay, 7 works on this one, but 5, 6, it doesn't work on that panel. Thing's broken. Does the basement one work here too? Oh, it works. Okay.
Kau balik dah ni, balik tu kan?